Welcome back, my followers. As I promised you that I will come with a new tutorial that will be teaching you on how you'll optimize and get for the audience for your business or your YouTube business. So I'm now going to give you a key highlights on how you can generate audience for your contents or your videos that you created and uploaded on your YouTube channel. So it's very simple. To start a YouTube channel, I think you all saw the way how we created our YouTube channel in just few steps. And by starting a YouTube channel, I think it's an easiest way, and you won't need any money to input in it. For example, like people who create videos, shooting, documentaries, films, skits, webinars, music, all of those can earn money from their contents and videos that they upload on their YouTube channel. So there are a few just tips that I will be sharing with you that will help you create some good contents of your YouTube channel. Take an example. If you need to generate revenue for those videos that you always upload on your YouTube channel as your online business, we have a revenue streams that you'll be following. For example, if you do consulting like one-to-one service, still you can create its videos and contents and then you upload them to your channel that you have really created. We have group workshops. If you already attend group workshops and at times you present, still you can shoot those videos for those workshops presentations and then you edit them very well and upload them for your audience to see, watch, and then earn more from those videos. We still have employment. People may be in need of skills and knowledge from some of the employees according to what they do, mostly manually. Take an example, if you're yeah, you do like mechanics, you do tailoring, you may need to coach or train people worldwide and get to know what exactly you're doing, how do you do it. We also have sponsorships. You can also create with sponsorships programs in order to earn from your YouTube. Still, we have affiliate programs. You can affiliate with companies, as in you get links from different companies, you affiliate with them, and then send those links to people who already watch your videos in order for you to earn commissions from different companies that do have that service of affiliate. Take an example of Amazon. You can affiliate with Amazon. You can affiliate with Jumia. You can affiliate with a lot of companies like 1xBet. Um, we have Betway. All of those companies, they have that option of affiliate with. You can affiliate with them and earn a commission through the links you always share with your clients or your audience online. Then we have advertising. Most of the companies have that option whereby you can advertise with them. You can advertise their new products. Take an example of Tecno, Nokia. We have Microsoft products. Let's say new softwares. You can advertise with those companies by sharing the links on your YouTube channel. Uh, Below, I understand there is a description whereby you can always type and put those descriptions. Okay. Uh, so when we come to advertising products. We have advertising products. You can advertise with those companies. Take an example. We have digital, and also we have physical. We have physical products. So by you advertising to digital and physical products, this will make you to earn a commission with your YouTube channel or online business. So by doing so, let me highlight for you some few tips that will help you to optimize or do our business online that will make you to compete with some of your competitors. We have tip number one. Tip number one is create a YouTube channel with a specific theme, such as tutorial. You create a YouTube channel. Create a YouTube channel with a specific theme. So as I told you, that there are just few tips that you will need to follow in order to make your YouTube channel so much profitable for your videos that you do create every day. By advertising, so as I showed you, or as I told you on how to deal with the advertising part, we have advertising products. Yeah, there are few tips that you need to follow in order to boost or boom your YouTube channel or your online business. The first tip is create a YouTube channel with a specific theme, such as tutorials, recipes, new gadgets, football news, etc. We also have tip number two, read and understand the contents of videos related to your topics, and they will help you to get an overview of large audience who are interested in your videos. Another one, you need to rectify the missing contents and errors that are in your videos and contents for perfection. We have another tip, which is number four, be so active and engage with your audience by replying to their comments. Still, this one will also help you to make sure that you are so much active. Don't fear your competitors who have therefore hit their goal, but do your experiments by trying something unique, and you will grab your audience's attention. Lastly, collaborate with fellow YouTubers who are doing the same by learning their mindsets and by getting together and do wonders for your channel and also that of your fellows. Now, enjoy your good life by doing things that you love most. Then, when you come to earnings, you will correct your earnings. Then, the most important rule for earning on YouTube is to be straightforward. The more people your videos get in bracket viewers, the more money you will earn. You will have to enable the monetize option in your YouTube channel settings. It's very simple. So by you being so much straightforward here, most of the time you may need to be so much careful with the links you always share to YouTube. Take an example, the affiliate program part. The moment you do affiliate a certain company to YouTube and you're not sure of it and what it's doing, this one still, it may hinder your YouTube followers or audience, as in they won't be following you again by you not being so much straightforward. But if you are so much straightforward, there your followers will keep on following you. So I have a lot of okay. I have so many softwares that I will need to be sharing with you, which will help you to grow your business day by day, step by step. So by following me, I will keep on uploading videos from where we started until you grow your online business step by step, day by day, time by time. Thank you for watching. My name is Professor Wilbert A. from Computer Marketing Wizards. See you in another video. Hit a subscription button and then like, and don't forget to comment and share this video so that it can make me grow this channel day by day.